Hi guys, it's been a while since I've actually done a review video for you. I have a couple of items from Bornprettystore to try out for you. So there is this image plate. This is Nicole Diary 172. And as you can see, it's kind of like a marbled water effect, you know, like bubbles on the water. So I'm quite excited to try that. Now the size of the plate, the images, sorry, is very good because you can see this length of like my thumbnail and it should fit that entire design. So there's 6 different types of images on there. And the other one that I'm really excited to try is this. This is a watercolor nail painting pen and it's supposed to be quick and easy. So there's instructions on how to use it there. So yeah. Let's try this out. Oh, you can see that's the colour that I've chosen, which is HI11. I don't know if that's classed as a colour for it or not, but anyway, let's get into trying them out. So I'm just opening up the pen and I think it comes in, seems to be like another little part here. Oh, so there's the ink. Yep, so that's the 2 parts. So it comes a bit like, it is literally a pen. So that is your ink. And by looks of it, I think I picked black, you know, that way if I can't actually remember what I've picked. And then this is the pen. So we're going to put that into there. And then I assume that is it. I'm just checking. I was just checking if that was for, oh, that does actually kind of push. And that is the tip of the brush there as well. So let's see, just put this in here. There we go. I actually think I needed to twist it. I wasn't quite sure. But as you can see, it just kind of gently pushed in and it's now flush with this bottom bit here. So I'm now going to put that part back on. And then I'm assuming we kind of push this top bit and the ink will start coming out. Oh wait, actually there it's there. The ink is already in the tip. Perfect, so I did do it right. Alright, let's get a nail prepped and try this. Okay, so I've just put this gel polish into the lamp and now we're going to try out the pen. So as you saw, I removed the tacky layer and then we're just going to kind of, I don't really know, do like a squiggle. So as you can see, like as you're using the pen, it kind of disperses, so you get some slightly darker bits and then some lighter faded bits, which is obviously the exact point of being a watercolour. Perhaps wasn't quite a good choice of colour for me to use the grey. I also think this would benefit more if you had a few of the colours, like, you know, using like a white base and even like, you know, like pink, yellow, red or something, you know, like the really bright colours. I think doing something like that over white and, you know, dotting the colours around would certainly have a much more impressive effect. I mean, the product certainly works. It was really simple to use, it's really quick and easy. That's going to dry really, really quick and then I just need to put the top coat on. So let's do that and then I'll come back and show you. So yeah, that's actually a really cool effect. I think I definitely need to play around with it more and get some, you know, other ideas, maybe pick up a few other colours as well. But yeah, really simple, quick to use. I can see me using more, as I said, just need to buy more colours to make it much more exciting. I tried to do the kind of smoke effect, as you can see here on this nail. So I'll leave a link down below to where you can buy this. There's also a discount code as well if you do happen to want anything from the store. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.